Is it a drone or is it a plane? I don't know. Let's find out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Elite Technology, and today we're taking a look at the Parrot Swing. Now, this drone just came to market and I think it's been out for about 2 months. It is a really cool combination from Parrot, and it's a combination between a drone and a plane, and it just looks pretty cool to me, so I thought you guys would enjoy it too. So let's start unboxing it. And be in two different formations. One is the plane and the other is a quadcopter. So it's a combination between a helicopter, a drone, and an airplane, which I think is pretty cool. And they named it the Parrot Swing. Well, it's by Parrot, and they named it the Swing. And it also comes with its own remote controller, which is new for Parrot because they usually don't come with a remote controller for drones this small. Anyway, so it also comes with a remote controller, which lasts for 6 hours, and the drone is about 1 foot in length. So the drone is like 1 foot in length, and it weighs about 75 grams, and it can go up to 19 miles an hour or 30 kilometers. And yeah, so let's get cracking. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the specs. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to get cracking. Alright, trusty butter knife here, and let's get cracking. Let's just open the first piece of tape. I'm not gonna see, you guys are gonna see first. You ready? I don't know, interesting. Let's check it out. Oh, look at that, you saw cardboard. Never mind, it wasn't that interesting. Alright guys, so the first thing we pull out is the remote controller itself, which lasts for 6 hours on a single charge, or does it have AA batteries? I'm not sure. Let's figure it out. So, alright, so butter knives don't always do the best thing for you, and I didn't find a knife, so yeah. Oh, there we go. Alright, so let's get this open and it just follows right up. There's the remote control itself, and it also comes with a charging cable. Yes, it comes with a charging cable. If I can get it out. Okay, so guys, there's a charging cable in here, and this is a stand to hold your phone, I'm guessing. There's nothing else really in the box. It comes pre-charged, so I'm guessing it charges. There's no batteries in here. And there it is. I'm guessing it's in pairing mode. Alright, so in order to get this in here, you have to screw it in. And yeah, just get it nice and tight in there. And yeah. Alright, so once you have this attached, you should see the Parrot logo flashing. Alright, so we'll come back to the remote for now. Let's just leave it to the side and let's get into what we're actually here for, which is the drone. And let's get it out. This is a really cool unboxing, and there's nothing else in the box. Alright, so let's open this one up. Let me get some more tape. There's more tape. There's more tape. I tell you, butter knives don't fail you. I'm telling you. Alright, so let's open this thing up. It comes with an instruction manual. Alright, so in this box, it comes with extra blades, so in case you break your blades, which we probably will, so we're going to need these. And it comes with a battery. All Parrot drones come with this standard battery. And this is how it looks inside the box, guys. That's how it looks inside the box. So let's just take it out from the box, and oh, it's a lot smaller than I thought, but still looks pretty cool. So I'm guessing this is how you place it, and yeah. So, alright, so in the front it has 2 LED lights, and in the back there's a battery slot, a USB to charge it, and a camera. Yep, that's pretty much it. I'm not sure if the battery's charged or not, but I'm willing to test it out, so just stick the battery in there. If that's the right way. No, that's the wrong way. Alright, so once you have the battery in there, it just starts up itself, and you see the lights turn on and the LEDs turn on, and that's the pair, I assume. So you hold so you turn this thing on, you turn your remote on to it, and I assume it should pair itself. I'm not sure though, and let's just see if it pairs. Oh, this also has a takeoff button, so you don't have to worry about taking off. Oh, they're both green, so I'm guessing it's paired. So let's just move some stuff to the side and actually test it out. Alright, so let's take off. Okay, please tell me there's a landing button. Okay, it just lands by itself. Alright, no problem, it's still good. So let's try it out again. All right. Before our second flight, let's attach our phone to it. So you guys will have to download the app. It's called Free Flight Pro. So to connect the remote to the drone, all you have to do is turn them both on. Right now the drone's already on and the lights on there are green. And to connect this to that, you want to hold it down and it should turn red. And once they're connected, this should turn green and the light should stop flashing on the drone. And now you're ready to fly. So just hold this up. But before we do that, we do want to connect our mobile device to the drone. And you want to go into your mobile device, open that Free Flight Pro. Once your remote is turned on, you want to open the app Free Flight Pro. You can download it in the App Store or the Google Play Store. I will leave a link to it down in the description below. I do recommend using an Apple device because it does work better with paired devices, but you can use either. So first thing you want to do is just put it in the included holder. And to connect your drone to it, you want to click Connect Drone. And it'll show you to go into your Wi-Fi and choose the drone. Okay, so here we have more of an open area to test the drone, so take off. Okay, so you use the L and T's to... Oh, so this is a whole lot more fun than I thought. Okay, I don't know what the 1, 2, and ABs do, but they're there. So I was able to get a few pictures, including this pretty okay selfie and this blurry Nerf gun. But considering this is a drone camera, this last picture came out pretty good. Alright guys, in the end, thank you so much for watching. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you want to buy this drone, I will leave a link to it down below where you can purchase one. And don't forget to check out all my other videos. And don't forget to subscribe. And now I upload every week. And that's it for this video, guys. I will see ya. Hey, no, 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 hey, no, no.